Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaden Stumbaugh, and today I'm going to teach you how to find a map using a reference atlas or a textbook. And to some people this may seem kind of trivial because it may seem relatively easy to do this, but it does have its uses, and there are some people that don't know how to do it. As a matter of fact, I did a beginning student teaching experience at a local high school, and I taught a 9th grade world geography class. And finding a map in an atlas or textbook is a useful skill in a class such as that, but a lot of students didn't know how to do it or they needed help in doing it. And so today I'm going to teach you how to do it through using this Glencoe World Geography textbook, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll have a little more assistance in knowing how to do this. Alright, so today, as I mentioned, we're going to be using the Glencoe World Geography textbook. This is a fairly common textbook that is used in high schools throughout the nation. So the first step that we're going to do today is that we're going to go to the contents page of the textbook. And the contents of any textbook is where you can find anything that you need with that particular textbook. It has a lot of different features to it, and they're very helpful. Not many people utilize this to its full extent. But today, with our activity of finding a map, we're going to be focused on two particular features. That is this side right here, and it says Reference Atlas. That's where you can find a majority of the maps that you need to. But if you'll notice too, at the beginning of most units, starting with Unit 2, there is a regional atlas which shows maps devoted to that specific region. So for example, on page 102, we can find the United States and Canada Regional Atlas. But let's say that we want to just go to any particular region, we can use this side. And these letters over here stand for Reference Atlas 2, Reference Atlas 4, and so on. And so the reference atlas of this textbook comes very early, and it's very distinguishable by the black outline. If I were to raise up this whole side of the textbook, you'll notice that there's a thin black line, and that's how you can find the reference atlas if you're anywhere in the book. This particular atlas right here is a world political map. So it distinguishes the countries from their physical features. So let's go back to the contents page, and let's say I want to find a political map of Africa. So that's right here, and that says RA 19. So we're going to go to the reference atlas, and we are going to look for page 19. And so here is a political map of Africa related to a physical map of Africa, and it shows different distinctions. But now, let's say that we want to use the units page and just look at distinctive regional atlas. Let's say, for example, you want to find Russia. Well, in Unit 5, it covers Russia, and the regional atlas for Russia begins on page 334. So we're going to go to page 334, and here are the regional atlases for Russia. You can distinguish any particular thing you want to from these atlases. As a matter of fact, on the economic activity side, you can see their major imports and exports. Using maps and atlases is a very helpful skill, and hopefully after this video you'll be able to find a map easier in a textbook or atlas.